Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra. Today is Christmas Eve, but basically it's Christmas Day for us, but we're gonna do a little bit of like opening presents tonight with my family. But the main thing is that we're gonna be going to Mount Shasta for a couple days. I got my snow pants this past weekend. I've literally rolled out of bed this morning and just got in my car. Leo's coming along for the ride because we are going to go pick up my Kindle. I have been wanting a Kindle for so long, and part of my resolutions for the new year is also reading more. I only read about 7 to 8 books this past year, 2024, and I really want to read more. The books that I have bought, although I love reading physical books, it's taking up so much space in my apartment, so I really want to move to Kindle and reading on there. So I was gonna buy one on Amazon. They're about like $160, which is not too bad, but then I was like, well, what if there's like a really good one in good condition, like not too far from the latest edition in Facebook Marketplace? And so I did a little bit of researching, and I actually did find one for $65 that is in really good condition. So I'm going to go pick it up today. It takes about 20 something minutes, so that's okay. So I will see you soon. I am back in the same place, but I did go get the Kindle. I'm so excited. Look at how cute it is. It's so small and tiny, but it's so cute. I love it so much. It is adorable. I love it. It came with the charger, of course. And yeah, it has a little pop socket because obviously it's used. And it really is not bad at all because it only has like a corner scratch, and it's not bad at all. So it just needs like a little bit of a wipe, I think, and then it should be good. Yeah, it looks so cute. I'm so excited. I was able to find this, and it's in really good condition. I tested it out. I was so confused because I've never had a Kindle before, and I was like, is there a lag? Is there a glitch? Like, I didn't know. I researched obviously now, and I figured out that there's like a e-link, and this is why the Kindles in general are a little bit like not glitchy necessarily, but they do look glitchy to me since I've never had a Kindle before. But like, it just has, it like turns black to white or something like that. But I thought it was weird. I was like, oh no, did I get like a bad deal on this? But yes, turns out that's very normal. I'm going to head inside now, and we are going to start packing. I have not packed at all, and I really need to start packing for Mount Shasta, so we're gonna go in there and start packing, so I will update you. Good boy!
Me gusta lo demás.
Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Day, December 25th. We just made it to Mount Shasta, and this is a little tour of the space. It is much later in the day. We honestly spent a lot of family time watching movies and eating dinner and just getting set up here in the Airbnb. It is so cute. We have a little room with a little patio so Leo can go out to pee in the mornings really early because he always needs to do that. I didn't fully unpack because we're only here for like 3 days, so I just laid out my skincare and then I just took a shower. It felt amazing. I am so happy I took a shower, and then Leo's just chilling on the bed. My parents went to sleep, but me, my brother, and Caesar and Leo, of course, are just gonna go hang out in the living room and watch some shows. We're really wanting to watch Squid Games, but it's still early. It's 10:23 and it doesn't come out until midnight technically, I think. So we're holding off a little bit. I think we're gonna watch something else until then because it's still early. But tomorrow we're gonna have breakfast and then we're gonna head out. It seems like it might rain, but we're trying to go sledding or go to the snow. It's gonna be Leo's first time in the snow, so I'm really excited for him. We have a little puffer for him, another sweater that I got for him over on Amazon that's meant for the warmth. We got him little shoes that he's had for a while, but it's been really hard to like make time to like really train him with the shoes, so he doesn't 100% walk correctly with the shoes yet. He's still learning, but we're gonna try it out tomorrow. Of course, we saw some snow today because we were trying to originally go to Bernay Falls, but there ended up being way too much fog on the road, so we just decided to turn back and come this way instead and go up north. Merry Christmas to you and your family if you celebrate, and I send you the biggest hug. I am so grateful for all of your support, whether you've just started subscribing to me, whether you've been subscribed to me for a long time, or you just recently started this year. Like, I'm so grateful for you. It means so much to me that you even like take the time out of your day to like watch a video like this, especially my vlogs, because I feel like nobody really cares. Leo's first time in the snow. Oh my gosh!
No, leave him. No, leave him. Took him off already.
I think he's okay. I think he's okay. No. Porque estamos cerca a la pista. Más acá, si quieres allá suéltalo, pero acá no.
Dice que no traspase.
You can't trespass?
I don't want to risk going to jail. What? No, we need a better base. Así no. Sí, falta. That looks like a big nose. That looks like Squidward. Yeah.
Meanwhile. I am stuck.
Let me hold. The whole world's gonna watch you get up. I think it's following you.
Okay. I don't know what they're doing, but they told me to record.
I'm coming in right after. I got you. Your face! I got you. Father got. Boop! Got him!
I can't reach him!
Reach for the stars! No, I fell! Ah! Ooh. Oh, that fue más. Sabe rico, sabe rico. No. Oh.
Oh no 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 no!
The camera? Are you okay? What happened?
Se me metí al ojo.
No timeout. There's no timeout. Put it down her neck. Yeah. No! I can't put my gloves on.
Okay, come here. I got hit right in the face. It's officially the next day. We are heading out today. We had a delicious morning breakfast. I am so full and my tummy is so happy. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.